Okay, I think everyone is in already. All right. Let's calm down first. You have just finished your class, wasn't it? Did you just finish your class? Yes, sir. Okay, can you put like a thumbs up if you have just finished your class? Thumbs up. Okay, same goes to me. So I've just finished one class just now and I'm right here. Okay, now my question is, what do you feel after a class? What do you feel after a class? Do you feel like, oh, I'm tired, I just want to go to sleep? What do you feel? Chat in the chat box. Amazing. Feeling amazing. That's very good. Sleepy, kind of tired, amazing, great. Okay, very good. That's the spirit. Excited, tired. Some of you are excited, some of you are tired. It's okay. I think something that I'm going to teach you today is not that heavy, not that heavy. Okay, don't worry, we are going to have some fun. Kind of tired because I have Melintas Desa today. Oh, cross country is in the season. Okay, if you are tired doing the cross country, you just walk. You just walk with your friend, chat around, okay, look around, perhaps like, telling stories about others and things like that will be fascinating. So you can just walk if you are tired because you need to keep up the energy for the real race. But if you are an athlete, you might want to speed up. All right? All right. Just a friendly reminder, nowadays it's very hot. So perhaps you just want to drink a lot of water so to keep yourself hydrated and also to keep your skin healthy because drinking a lot of water helps you a lot. And don't forget to go to the toilet every time it comes. All right, now, I hope you're ready for the class. Are you ready for the class? Are you ready for the class, for our English class? If yes, then put thumbs up. Okay, put a thumbs up. If you are ready for the class, you put a lot of thumbs up. I want to see a lot of thumbs up. We'll have 28 participants in this class. Okay, put a lot of thumbs up. All right, very good. Okay. Now, today's class, we are going to focus on grammar. Okay, on grammar. Sir, but grammar is very boring. Grammar is boring when we don't know about it. But if it's in my class, you ask me. You ask me question. Why is it like this, sir? Why is it like this, sir? Until we get the answer. Assume that grammar is something like mathematics. If you love mathematics, you will love grammar because it is something technical. Grammar is also very important when you are writing because if you are not writing the right grammar, you might get your mark deducted. And also it is important for reading part 2 because in part 2, they give you grammatical errors, they highlight it, and they ask you to answer the right form of grammar. All right. What are we going to do tonight? The first one is show the different. Wait, it's moving. Right now. Show the difference. What is the meaning of difference? Difference, guys. What is the meaning of difference? Okay, what is the meaning of difference? Difference? In Malay, yeah, in Malay. Perbezaan. All right, perbezaan. Okay, between will and be going to. Will and be going to. Okay, what is will in Malay? What is will in Malay? Akan. What is be going to? What is be going to? Let's say I am going to. Saya akan. Akan buat. Will pun akan juga. Akan buat pun kan. Akan pergi, no. Be going to is actually also akan. So, why are we learning English? English is so confusing. Yeah, it is confusing, but it is what it is. Actually, Bahasa Melayu is much simpler when we want to communicate. English is a bit tough when we want to learn to differentiate. Okay, but let's face this tonight. Perbezaan will dengan be going to. But in Malay, both are akan. If we are talking about akan, what are we talking about? Are we talking about now? Are we talking about the past? Or are we talking about the future? If we use the word akan, are we talking about the past? Are we talking about now? Or are we talking about the future? Okay, very good. We are talking about the future. Very good. Future. So things that is going to happen. Is it going to happen? I don't know, but will and be going to. Right. The second one that we're going to do tonight is plan 3 days with be going to and make 2 quick offers with will. All right. Sir, I couldn't understand this. Okay, never mind. We will go through this first because you will understand why we use be going to for plan 3 days and then we use 2 quick offers with will. All right. Let's focus on our first slide. Okay. Look at the pictures and answer the question. Okay. Ya Allah. Abang Aziza tubuk. What do you think about that? What happened? What happened to that old man? What is happening to that old man? Can you tell me in the chat box what is happening to that old man? Fell. Okay, he fell. Oh, should we help him? Okay, when he fell, okay, my next question is, when he fell, okay, when he fell, is it planned? Is it like, oh, I want to fall today, let's fall? No. Okay, no, it is sudden. That's why I wrote sudden over here. Okay, sudden means tiba. Sudden means tiba-tiba. Okay. Tiba-tiba. Okay, tiba-tiba. You don't plan, it happens. Okay, so it happens. So sudden. Okay. If it's an engagement or a marriage, do you think that it is sudden or it is planned? Okay, rancangan, plan. Okay, very good. That's why you see there is a ring, so there is an engagement or a marriage coming in. Okay, my question is, what are you going to do with this uncle? Okay, answer it in a full sentence. What are you going to do? Answer in a full sentence. Full sentence as in you cannot say help him. No, I just said you cannot do that. You need to put in full sentence with starting with the capital letter and with the full stop. Not help. Khalis, focus. I want you to answer in full sentence. Okay, let me try answer first. This is an example only. Okay, what are you going to do? I am going to see only. I'm going to see only. Oh, jatuh. Okay. For example. Okay, so can you create a full sentence like this? Remember, you are not doing it, but you want to. I'm going to help him. Okay, very good. I'm going to help him. And then what is it? I'm going to help him get back up. Okay. Oh, it's moving. Okay, this is very good. I'm going to help him. Very good. Oh, you guys are so nice. I'm going to help him. Very good. Okay. I'm going to help him. Okay. I will ask him if he needs help. I would ask him. That's interesting choice. But my question is, what are you going to do? I'm going to help him get up. I will to help him. Ryan, it's not will. Will is something that is, you planned. This is something that you don't plan. You just, you have the intention, niat. Call the ambulance. Safa, call the ambulance. Okay. not the case, but you're not writing the full sentence. Okay, but that's good. I think you understand. You need to focus because my question is, what are you going to do? Okay, now my second question. If you have already engaged, dah bertunang, what will you do? If you dah bertunang, what will you do next? What will you do after you have engaged? Okay, type in a full sentence. Type in a full sentence. I will spend my time with my husband. Oh, that is so dreamy. I will spend my time with my husband. But you are not married yet. You are engaged. What do you do? What do you need to do after you get engaged? I'll be so delulu entered the chat. I would be so delusional about the future. I will work harder to get married. Okay, very good. I will. But Lenovo, I don't know what's your name. So I would be so delusional. I would. The question is, what will? Will. I'll work harder to get married. I will prepare for my wedding. Prepare? I will preparing for my wedding. Almost there. I will work hard for the wedding. I will wait for the wedding. I will get married. That's it. As simple as that. Can also be the answer. Okay, very good. Meaning to say that if it's something that is suddenly happen, you use going to. But if it's something that you had already planned, you use will. Will, not would. Would is something different. Would is you need only, you don't really want to do it. But will is something that you plan and you plan to do it. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Plan versus sudden. Okay, my question is, what is the meaning of the word spontaneous? 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 So I know the meaning, but I cannot write it in Malay. Spontaneous. What is the meaning of spontaneous? Just tell me, spontaneous. What is the meaning of spontaneous? You can put it in Malay. It doesn't really matter, but I need to know the meaning of spontaneous. Anyone? Dilemma. Dilemma pula dah. Dilemma. Okay. Secara spontan. You guys, when you guys put a question mark, means that you are doubting yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Just give the answer. It should be okay. Berlaku secara tiba-tiba. Kamus. Nur Ain Kaisar. Yes, you need to use kamus. Yeah. Secara spontan. Yes. Spontaneous. Berlaku secara tiba-tiba. Yes. Sudden. Basically, it's this sudden. Tiba. Spontan. Like you don't really plan. But plan is plan. Okay. Past decision, present decision. Okay. So basically, in simple words, plan is past decision. You have decided, for example, just now, you have decided that you want to get married later. Okay. But spontaneous is present decision. What does it mean by present decision? Decision is keputusan. Quote. There's some of you like, what is decision? Keputusan. Okay, decision is keputusan. Wait, I forgot to ask. Do you guys have this note with you right now? Do you guys have this note with you? I think I have already put it in the, what we call this? The file inside the eTuisyen application or website. So you can get the notes there. So it's easy for you to scribble because I always put it before class. So usually a day before you can just download it and then you can scribble on it. Okay. Because I like to scribble a lot. So there are some notes that is not in the, what we call this, the paper. All right. We use, okay, be going to, untuk planned, you things that you have planned. We use will for things that is spontaneous. Spontaneous tu secara spontan. Okay. Okay, setakat ni. I want to ask you again. When do we use be going to? When do we use be going to? Bila masa kita pakai be going to? Is it planned or spontaneous? Be going to. We use for planned or spontaneous. Iris, you are very good. Okay, Omar, very good. Planned. Khalis, very good. Rashika, very good. Said, very good. Okay, Norain, very good. So we use be going to. Izo, very good. Be going to for planned. Planned action. Okay, Arnie, very good. And when do we use will for planned or spontaneous action? So did eTuition have an app? I think so. I'm not sure. I think so. They do have an app. Maybe you want to discover first because I have it in my laptop. Okay. Spontan. Kalis, you don't want to type the full word, right? Is it spontan only? Spontaneous. Spontaneous. Very good, Medina and Amira. Very good. Okay. So spontaneous, we use will. Will. Kalis, don't worry. I'm just joking. All right. Will. So let's see. I will help you right now, meaning to say that you want to help that person in that time. Masa tu juga kau nak tolong. Do you plan to help the person before? Tiba-tiba pakcik tu jatuh, kan? You want to help him now, kan? So you use will. I'll is short form I'll. But if you have already planned to travel, okay, you use be going to. Tapi sir, kenapa tak ada be? Ada am. Can you tell me, can one of you tell me, kenapa tiba-tiba here we put be, but then suddenly here we put am? Can someone tell me what is happening over here? I'm lost. I'm lost. Okay, what is happening over here actually? Tell me. What is happening? Oh, this is so complicated. I don't want to learn anymore. So for example, okay, be past. Amira, chill. Okay, I saw your answer. Okay, very good. Be equals to past. Not really. Have you heard of this? Verb to be. Verb to be. Have you heard of that before? Yes. Wait. Oh. Verb to be. Have you heard of this before? Yes, I think. Okay, verb to be, we have several versions. Okay, how do I say this? How do I say this? Okay, let's say that, assume that the verb to be is like the figure Hirono. You know Hirono? Do you know Hirono? Some of you might say that yes, you know Hirono. Some of you might say no, that you don't know Hirono. Hirono is a figurine from Pop Mart. Okay. Hirono is a character, but you have so many themes. Okay. Say, for example, like you wearing a dress. You are yourself. You are B-E, but then you have so many dresses, so many clothes. Okay. One of the clothes is. Another one is M. Another one is R. Another one is was. Another one is were. Okay. Faham tak? You are B, but then when you, for example kan, when it's cold, musim sejuk, you wear is. But then when it's hot, you wear M. Okay. So basically, B ni dia banyak bentuk. Okay. Salah satu bentuk dia adalah M, which is M. You need to remember. Okay, if you don't remember, you can write this down. Verb to be ni, dekat your notes or anywhere. Verb to be is MR was were. Is MR was were. As simple as that. Because this is quite important. Was and were we use for past tense. Is, am, are we use for present tense. Okay. But when we are talking about the future, we are talking about the decision that you make now. We are talking about present. There is no future tense, actually. There is future actions. Okay. Now, verb to be. Do you understand the verb to be? We have several verb to be. Do you understand? If you understand, you put a thumbs up. Thumbs up. These are verb to be. Do you understand? If you understand, you put a thumbs up. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, so these are verb to be. Kau jangan tak faham pula. Oh yeah, ini saya stress. No. Okay, very good. Yes, very good. Okay, I'm gonna delete this because it's gonna mess my, we'll call this screen. I hope that you have copied. All right, verb to be. So am is verb to be. Okay, and then we have going to. Going to is the usual one lah. Okay. Let's see. Okay, list down 5 planned and spontaneous that they have done before. Okay, this is KIV first. Okay, I will help you right now. I am going to and will. Okay, I will. Okay, we have discussed these two. Okay, that's it for this. Let's go for the details. All right. Okay, this is the details. Okay. Brace yourself. This is going to be something that is, okay, now I know. Okay. Will and be going to both are used for future. Abdullah, raise up your hand. What do you have any question? Firman or Abdullah? You go, okay, never mind. All right. Let's focus, huh? Will and be going to are both for future. We are using it for the future. But will, as we know just now, we are using for spontaneous decisions, predictions, and promises. What is the meaning of predictions? Who knows what is the meaning of predictions? Predictions. Who knows what is the meaning of predictions? Cepat. Go, Google. Oh, very good. Jangkaan, ramalan. Okay, ramalan. Oh, that is so not sharp. Ramalan. Okay. Decisions, I have already said to you. Decision is keputusan. Promises is janji. Janji. All right, janji. Okay, keywords is not that important, but keywords help sometimes. If you want to know that happened, that thing is a plan or not, look at the keywords. Okay. For be going to, we have for future plans, intentions, predictions with evidence. Okay. Don't mind the predictions part, but what is intention? Intentions. What is the meaning of intentions? What is the meaning of intentions? Anyone? Intentions. Niat. Okay, very good. Niat. Very good, Amira. You are very participative. Ani also. Oh, I only have Ani and Prihatin. Perhatin. Niat, actually. Safa, it's niat. Attention is perhatian, but intention is niat. Okay? Now, the keywords might help sometimes, but yeah, just we don't need to stress over it so much, but we go to the formula. Okay, S is basically subject. Okay, same goes to here. S is subject. Okay, can someone tell me what is the meaning of subject? Subject. What is the meaning of subject? What is the meaning of subject? Mata pelajaran. No. Perkara. No. This might be something that is basic, but sometimes I don't know how to explain. Subject. Okay, let me write it here lah. Okay, subject equals to Dua. Dua equals to pembuat. Orang atau benda. Not really. In this case, we are using subject. Subject. Okay, subject, verb, object. Okay. Subject is dua. Pembuat. Someone who do. Someone who do. Basically, someone who do. All right. So, in this case, someone who do can be me, can be I myself, can be you, can be Ali, can be Mina, can be they, can be she, perempuan tu, or can be he, laki tu. Alright, so this is subject. Siapa yang buat. Basically dua lah, dua, do tu buat, tu pembuat. Okay. Alright. And then we have will. Dia ni untuk spontaneous decision. Okay, will, verb. Should be root word. Okay. What is the meaning of root word? Root word. In Malay. Root word. Sebelum tu. So nak tengok korang faham ke tak? You need to understand this first before we go further on that part. I just want to ask you, what is the meaning of root word? Apakah maksud root word? Very good, Alia. Kata dasar. Kata dasar. Alright. So meaning to say that, kalau kita pakai will, selepas will, verb tu kata kerja, betul tak? Verb tu kata kerja. Kata kerja. Kata kerja tu kena dalam bentuk kata dasar. Okay, contoh. Contoh kata kerja. Okay, contoh sedikit dulu ni. The phone is ringing. I will answer it. Boleh tak kalau answer ni kita buat answers? I will answers it. Can I do that? Can I do that? No. Okay, very good. Oh, there are so... Amira, don't guess yourself. Don't second guess yourself. You should be right. Okay, no. Because answers got S at the back. This is not root word. Kata dasar untuk answers adalah answer. So after will, dia kena ada kata dasar. Verb, kata kerja tu dalam bentuk dasar. Okay. So that's why I will answer. Kalau they will, answers ke answer? Okay. They, kalau kita ubah this I ni to they. They. Answer ke answers? Answer or answers? Okay. They will answers. Okay, answer, answers. I only say answers. Adib say answer. I only say answers. Iris say answer. Answer. Okay, remember, it doesn't matter what is in front. What matter is, after will, mesti root word. Ni. After will, mesti root word. Ingat itu sahaja. After will, kena root word. Verb tu kena dalam bentuk root word. Okay, verb tu kena dalam bentuk root verb. Root word. Okay, itu saja kena ingat. Lepas will, kena kata kerja dia kena dalam bentuk kata dasar. Okay, kata kerja dia kena dalam bentuk kata dasar. Okay. Now, let's move on to this one. Subject juga. M is R sebab kita pakai present tense. Okay. So, M is R tadi apa? M is R tadi apa? Tanya je. Okay. M is R? Okay, very good. Amira, you're very quick. Okay, B. This is B. B wearing different clothes. Okay, going to plus verb. This one verb is also verb model, not model, we call this root word. Root word. Root word apa? Kata dasar. Sama juga. Verb dia kena dalam bentuk kata dasar. For example, I am going to have dinner at 8 p.m. Have is kata dasar. Okay. I am sebab pakai I. I am going to have dinner at 8 p.m. because I planned it. Okay, dia dah plan nak dinner pukul 8. So that's why dia guna am going to. Okay, simple je. Cuma what you need to focus is, okay, I hope that you have written the notes. I'm going to delete. Okay. Okay, what you need to focus on this is basically these few things only. First, you need to focus on, let me use highlighter. Okay, usage spontaneous. Highlighter too big. Wait, let's use pen again. Okay, usage spontaneous, usage future plans, and then formula as will verb, then formula as I'm going to be verb. Okay, you focus on this only. All right. Focus on this only so that you will understand, okay, we use will for spontaneous, we use going to for future plans. Okay, the formula for will is subject plus will plus verb in root form. Root word. Okay, same goes to this verb in root word. Okay, ingat yang ini sahaja. Lepas tu yang ni tadilah be. All right. Now, let's go to the questions. Okay, we have so many questions here and here. Oh, there's a lot of questions. Okay, here first. Okay, focus on this. Okay, focus on this. I give you around, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions. Okay, this one you need to use be going to, and this one you need to use will. All right. Okay, now I will give one example for each. Okay, at 9, we is plural, so we need to use we are going to board. What is the meaning of board? Board is where is it? Bukan mendarat. Board is menaiki. Board. Okay, menaiki the starship. Okay, now I want you to answer for number 2 and 3 in 2 minutes. Let's give you 3 minutes. Just give the answer. Number 2, what is the answer? Number 3, what is the answer? Don't need to type all things. I just need the answer. Okay, start doing it now. I give you 3 minutes. Okay, let's focus first on 3 minutes. Okay, type your answer in the chat box. Huh? Auni, very good. Number 2, we are going to eat. Because we use are, and going to eat is the root form already. Don't need to change anything. Very good, Auni. Let's give a thumbs up for that. Thumbs up, is it? Okay. What about others? You can type your answer over there. It's okay. We are learning, and there is no. If it's wrong, then yeah, I will try to. I'll call this. I'll fix it. Is going to explore. Okay. The third one is in the afternoon. Our class is singular. Very good. Is going to explore. Okay. Also good. This one is correct. is going to explore. Raisha, don't put the question mark over there. That's wrong. Okay, Iris, number 2 is, we are going to eat. Okay, very good. Number 2 is good. But number 3 is not that. Remember, Iris, we are using be going to. We are not using will. This is question part A. Part A, we need to use going to. Okay, we are going to eat. We are going to eat. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. We are going to eat is going to explore. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, so I'm going to give this a thumbs up. Okay, I'm going to give this a thumbs up. We're going to eat is going to, okay, very good. Mean to say that you understand. We are going to eat, very good. We are going to eat, very good. We are going to explore, very good. It's going to explore. We're going, number 3 is going to explore. Wait, are going to explore. Wait, number 3 is actually is going to explore. Is going to explore, because our class is singular. You have only one class. We don't count. If they said our students, then it's a different thing. But our class is only one. So is going to explore should be the answer. And side, it's not are going to explore. All right, very good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, this one we have only 2 questions. I'm going to answer one and you are going to answer another one. Using will. Okay, focus. We're using will for part B. Okay, we're using will for part B. Don't worry, I will fix. This one is simple. Don't need to change anything. Will call. There you go. That is the answer. Will call. Because you don't need to change anything. You just add will and then you add the verb call. Number 3 again, answer, sir. Okay, number 3 is okay. Let me put the answer over here. Number 2 is we are going to eat space pizza. Okay, in the afternoon, our class is going to explore. All right, this is the answer. All right. Okay. Okay, I hope you get all the answer. If you have the worksheet, then you can scribble on it. All right, let's move on to the last part for tonight. Okay, this is a lot of question. All right. But we will go through this. Okay, we will go through this one by one. How should I do this? Okay, I should do it like this actually. Okay, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10 questions. This is a lot of questions. I'm going to give you around 10 minutes to answer these questions. Is that okay? I'm going to give you quiet time to answer. Okay, how do you want to answer it? Okay, you just choose which one. For example, I'll give you one example. Pilot A. Okay, so which one do we use? Be going to or will? This is where you need to read carefully. Is it spontaneous or is it planned? Okay, for example, this is how I will do it. For question number 1, the fuel light is flashing red. Pilot B, don't worry, I fixed the leak right now. Is that spontaneous? Flashing red. There is no planning in flashing red. Emergency, there is no planning, right? So it is spontaneous. If spontaneous, what do we use? We use will. Okay, so that is how you answer. So the answer is I will. There you go. Okay. Simple as that. You put your answer for number 2 till number 10. I will give you around 10 minutes to answer it. I won't disturb you. Don't need to, you just type all up until 10 and then post it in the chat box. Okay, let's start the timer now. Timer. Let's give it 10 minutes. Okay, you may begin now. Amira, put it in the whole thing in one go. Like 2 to 10, put it straight away. Everything in one. Yes, much easier for me to track later. Oh, I can see all the... Wait. I'm adjusting the screen first. Because, yeah. Okay. Can you see? Can you see? All right, okay. I'm giving you time. Auni, put all at one go. Number 2 to 10, you type everything first and then you send. And Auni, it's much easier for me to look. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, Iris, you have answered it. Very good. Okay, I will review it later. Okay, let's give time to others first to go through the question. We still have time. We have 6 minutes. Let's put this first. Wait, Iris, don't doubt yourself. Okay. I feel like the answers are wrong because they take turns. Let's see. Let's see. It's always like that, right? If it's all D, you think like, oh, why is it like that? Huh? Okay, Alia already answered. Okay, very good. Okay, we're still waiting for the others. We still have around 5 minutes. Okay, Raisha. Okay, you uploaded. Sorry, sir, earlier I had a typo. Don't worry, I do understand. Okay, the rest of you, please submit your answer in the chat box. We still have around 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Okay, Nurul Ain, already submitted, very good. Amira, you already submitted, very good. Okay. Safa submitted, very good. Mr. Said submitted, very good. We have about 4 minutes left, yeah? Amira said number 2, I already answered earlier. All right, never mind. Good of you to mention. Okay, Omar, you have answered, very good. Are you copying others' answer? Because I saw some trends. Ayo, don't copy lah. Do it yourself. It's not that hard. If you put yourself to thinking, then it will help you to answer better during your examination. You don't want to copy your friend always, right? I asked my sis a bit. Yeah, that's also good. We have about 3 more minutes. We have about 3 more minutes. Okay. We still have submissions? Okay, you can ask for help from your friends or from your sisters, from your brothers. You can also have, nowadays you have AI. That is much easier for you to learn. So let's say if you don't understand certain things, then you can straight away go for the AI, and perhaps Gemini nowadays you can just show a live video and they can answer you for that. But please challenge yourself also to find it on your own. Don't rely too much on AI. Irina Sofia already submitted. Okay, very good. We have about 2 minutes left. Okay, Adam Mikhail. Okay, very good. Number 2, there is no am going to actually. Number 2 is are going to perhaps, but it's okay. Okay, we have about 1 minute and a half. Okay, where are the others? Okay, Homara submitted. Good. Okay, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Okay, I think I'm still accepting answer. We have about 40 seconds left. Okay, why do I ask you to take your time to answer? Is because when I explain after this, you don't need to, you can see whether or not you understand what I have taught tonight. All right, 20 seconds left. Okay, you can still submit your answer. It's good to challenge yourself, especially you are from 2 now, right? Next year you're going to have an examination. It's very interesting to see. All right, time is up. Okay. Okay, I don't think about it yet, but you're gonna have examination next year. All right. For number 2, okay, simple question. If it's spontan, we use will. If it's planned, we use be going to. So the question that I will ask is plan or spontan. Okay. Number 2, because we will or are going to take photos of the Martian sunset at 6 p.m. Okay. So this is spontan or planned? Spontan or planned? Okay. This is actually planned. So kalau plan kita pakai be going to. So this is the answer. Right, next. Pilot B, I'm not busy. I can't find my space gloves. I'm not busy. I help you look for them. Is that planned or spontaneous? This is spontaneous. We use will. Okay, check your answer. Now, question number 4. Look at the schedule. Okay, schedule definitely planned. So if it's planned, be going to, are going to. Simple, right? It's very dark in this corridor. Wait here. I'm going to I will turn on my flashlight. It's spontaneous. Suddenly it's dark. So the help is decided that time. So will, spontan. Number 6. Because why did you pack those extra batteries? You already packed, so you have already decided. It's a planned thing. So I'm going to because planned. The oxygen alarm is making a loud noise. Okay, so it's an alarm. It's an emergency. Something that has happened so suddenly. It's spontaneous. So will. Number 8. Are you busy on Saturday? On Saturday. Okay. Yes, exercise the gravity gym for 2 hours. Already planned. And exercise is a plan, so I'm going to. Okay, number 9. I'm really thirsty after that moonwalk. Okay, thirsty. Out of it's you are not planned. You don't plan to get thirsty, right? So it's spontaneous. So spontaneous is will. Okay, and finally, number 10. Why are you looking at that map? Kenapa tengok dekat map tu? And then because visit the Olympus Moon volcano tomorrow. Tomorrow is a plan. So this is are going to because we are planning. All right. What is moonwalk? Okay, very good. Moonwalk is basically walking in the moon, walking on the moon. Walking on the moon. On the moon. All right. Are there any words that you don't understand from here so that I can explain to you what are the words? If it's me, I would say leak. Can I have leave this call because I have an emergency? It's okay, Ryan, go ahead. Oh my, not the Michael Jackson one. That one is also moonwalk, but that one is a different thing. Okay, fix the leak right now. Leak is bocor. Why is the camera ready? There's one. There's a Martian sunset. Is the usual one. Schedule, and another one is dehydrated. Dehydrated is dehidrasi. Dehidrasi. Dikeringkan lah basically. And then what else? What else do we have? Corridor. Pack battery, tak ada oxygen immediately. Sensors, nothing. Gravity, there's nothing there. Okay, so basically that's it. That's it. Okay, now I want to ask you the last question. Okay, choose the correct one before you leave. Okay, so can I have everyone answer it in the chat box? Okay, number 1 and number 2. What is your answer? Okay, please, quickly. We have 2 minutes left. I'm hungry. I think, is it will or I'm going to make a sandwich? I've already booked my flight. Is it will or I'm going to? Answer in the chat box for the last one to check your understanding. Okay. Quickly. We don't have much time. The class almost end. All right. All right. All right. Okay, do we have any other answers? Okay, number 1 and number 2. Okay. Choose the correct one before you leave. I'm hungry. Hungry is not something that you can plan. Hungry is something that is sudden. So if it's spontan, what was it just now? If it's spontan, we use will. Okay, so I will. I've already booked my flight. Booked already. So there is a plan. So definitely it's not will. Am going to. All right. I hope that, okay. And the last one is, the word of the day is spontaneous. So I hope that you can add this in your library, in your vocabulary. So what does nincompoop mean? I read the story earlier and didn't understand the word. I forgot the word also, actually. I've heard of that word before, but I'm not using it much. But perhaps you can search for it in the, what we call this, dictionary or on the internet. All right. That's all for today. I hope that you understand what I'm teaching. If you don't understand all, pick some and then you apply it in your, what we call this, in your exam or in your reading paper nets. All right. That's all for tonight. See you next week. Bye-bye.